Planning your next vacation? Allow us to guide you through the 5 best countries to visit in the world. Today, we venture into a virtual tour of 5 destinations that promise to deliver unforgettable experiences. From the rich cultural heritage of Italy to the technological marvels of Japan, the adrenaline-pumping landscapes of New Zealand, the vibrant life of Spain, and finally, the awe-inspiring natural beauty of Australia. Each country is a world in its own, brimming with unique flavors, sights, and experiences that make a visit worthwhile. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an adventurer, or simply someone looking for beautiful landscapes to explore, these 5 countries offer something for everyone. So pack your virtual bags and prepare for a journey that will take you across continents, through time, and into the heart of some of the world's most captivating countries. Let's set off on our journey with the number 5 on our list, Italy. At number 5, we have Italy, a country that enchants with its rich cultural heritage, culinary delights, and stunning landscapes. Italy is a treasure trove of history, art, and architecture. It's home to iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, challenging our perception of perspective, and the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, brimming with religious and artistic wealth. But Italy isn't just about history and architecture. Its culinary scene is a gastronomic adventure waiting to happen. Imagine savoring traditional pasta dishes, each region boasting its unique flavors and ingredients. Picture yourself enjoying a scoop of authentic gelato on a sunny day, or sipping a rich, robust espresso in a quaint cafe. Italian cuisine is a symphony of tastes and textures that will leave your palate begging for more. And then, there are the landscapes. From the sun-kissed Amalfi Coast, with its pastel-colored houses clinging to the cliffs, to the rolling hills of Tuscany, painted with vineyards and dotted with cypress trees. Let's not forget the romantic canals of Venice, a city that seems to float on water, its labyrinth of waterways telling tales of love and intrigue. Italy's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking, each one a masterpiece in its own right. This is Italy, a country that offers a feast for the senses, from its rich cultural heritage to its mouth-watering cuisine and awe-inspiring landscapes. Italy is a destination that captivates, inspires, and leaves a lasting impression. It's no wonder that it has made its way into our top 5 countries to visit. Italy serves a feast for the senses that you would not want to miss. Moving on, let's explore the country at number 4, Japan. At number 4, we find Japan, a blend of unique cultural experiences, technological marvels, and natural wonders. Japan, the land of the rising sun, is a country where ancient traditions and modern wonders coexist in perfect harmony. The country's rich cultural heritage invites you to immerse yourself in a variety of traditional Japanese experiences. You can indulge in the tranquility of a tea ceremony, feel the intensity of a sumo wrestling match, or marvel at the delicate precision of bonsai art. Japan's ancient temples, serene gardens, and vibrant festivals, such as the cherry blossom season, are a feast for the senses, offering a glimpse into the country's rich history and traditions. But Japan isn't only about tradition, it's also a hub of innovation and technological marvels. Tokyo, the country's bustling capital, is a testament to this. It's a city where futuristic skyscrapers touch the sky, high-speed trains whiz past, and cutting-edge technology is an integral part of everyday life. It's a city that never sleeps, constantly evolving and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Yet, amid this technological wizardry, Japan also offers a wealth of natural wonders. The iconic Mount Fuji, with its snow-capped peak, stands as a symbol of the country's natural beauty. Japan's national parks, from the northern island of Hokkaido to the subtropical Okinawa, provide a diverse range of landscapes and wildlife to explore. And after a day of adventure, there's nothing quite like soaking in an onsen, a traditional Japanese hot spring, as you unwind and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're a culture enthusiast, a tech geek, or a nature lover, Japan has something for everyone. It's a country where you can step back into the past one moment and leap forward into the future the next, all while surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Japan truly offers a unique blend of old and new. Next up, let's visit the country at number 3, New Zealand. Coming in at number 3 is New Zealand, an adventure playground with breathtaking scenery and rich Maori culture. This alluring island nation in the southwestern Pacific Ocean is a haven for thrill seekers, offering adrenaline-pumping activities that will keep your heart racing. Imagine soaring through the sky while skydiving over the picturesque Lake Taupo, or bungee jumping off the historic Kawarau Bridge in Queenstown, the birthplace of this daring sport. Perhaps you fancy the exhilarating rush of whitewater rafting on the Tongariro River. New Zealand's stunning natural landscapes, including fjords, mountains and glaciers, serve as the perfect backdrop for these heart-stopping adventures. But New Zealand is more than just an adventure playground. It's a place where every turn reveals another picture postcard view. From the rolling hills of Hobbiton that would stir the heart of any Lord of the Rings fan, to the pristine beaches of the Bay of Islands, perfect for a relaxing getaway. And let's not forget the rugged beauty of Fiordland National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site teeming with towering waterfalls and reflective lakes. Equally captivating is New Zealand's rich Maori culture. A visit here wouldn't be complete without experiencing a traditional haka performance, a powerful demonstration of Maori dance and chant. You can also marvel at intricate carvings and tattoos, each telling unique stories of heritage and identity. Historic sites like the Waitangi Treaty Grounds offer valuable insights into New Zealand's fascinating past, allowing you to immerse yourself in the country's cultural tapestry. So, whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next big rush, a nature lover wanting to lose yourself in stunning landscapes, or a culture enthusiast keen to delve into indigenous heritage, New Zealand has something for you. It's a place where adventure, beauty, and culture intertwine, creating an unforgettable travel experience. New Zealand is indeed a paradise for nature and adventure lovers. Now, let's move to the country at number 2, Spain. Taking the second spot is Spain, a country known for its vibrant cities, sun-kissed beaches, and culinary diversity. Spain is a country where culture, history, and passion collide in a vibrant display of life. Its dynamic cities are a testament to this lively energy, with places like Barcelona and Madrid leading the charge. Barcelona, a city where the imaginative architecture of Antoni Gaudí meets the sparkling Mediterranean, is a feast for the eyes. The city pulses with life from its bustling markets to its lively street performances. Madrid, Spain's capital, is a city that never sleeps. It is a cultural hub, famous for its art museums, historic landmarks, and of course, flamenco dancing. The rhythm of the city is contagious, and it's hard not to get swept up in its vibrant spirit. But the allure of Spain isn't confined to its cities. Venture to the country's Mediterranean coastline, and you'll find the sun-kissed beaches of Costa del Sol. And the Balearic Islands, with their golden sands and crystal-clear waters, offer a laid-back atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a water sports enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates a good siesta by the sea, Spain's beaches are sure to captivate. Yet, what would Spain be without its culinary delights? Spanish cuisine is a tantalizing mix of flavors and ingredients, each region boasting its own specialties. From the savory paella of Valencia, brimming with fresh seafood and saffron-scented rice, to the variety of bite-sized tapas that can be found nationwide, there's no shortage of delicious dishes to explore. And let's not forget about Spain's fine wines, with regions like Rioja and Ribera del Duero producing some of the world's best. Spain truly captivates with its lively spirit and rich flavors. Finally, let's unveil the top country on our list, Australia. And the top spot goes to Australia, a land of diverse wildlife, natural wonders, and outdoor adventures. Australia is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. Here, you can encounter unique animals like kangaroos and koalas, or delve into the depths of the Great Barrier Reef to marvel at the vibrant marine life. The land down under also beckons with its awe-inspiring landscapes. Whether you're standing in the shadow of the majestic Uluru, trekking through the ancient Daintree rainforest, traversing the rugged outback, or soaking in the sun on the pristine beaches of the Whitsunday Islands, Australia's natural beauty is truly unparalleled. But it's not just about observing. Australia invites you to dive headfirst into adventure, surf the legendary waves, hike the winding trails, camp under the star-studded sky, and let the untamed spirit of Australia ignite your own sense of adventure. Australia offers an unforgettable journey into the wild, so pack your bags and embark on your dream vacation to these incredible countries.